Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update PM2 processes on your production server. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update PM2 processes on your production server, first, connect to your server via SSH. Use your terminal or command prompt to execute the SSH command. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, check the current version of PM2 by running the command PM2v. This will help you determine if an update is necessary. Next, update PM2 to the latest version by executing npm install PM2 at latest G. This command ensures you have the most recent version installed globally. After the update completes, verify the installation by rerunning PM2v. Now, check the list of currently running processes by typing PM2 list. Identify the processes you want to update. To update a specific process, use the command PM2 restart process _name or PM2 restart process _ID. Replace process _name or process _ID with the appropriate identifiers. If you want to update all processes at once, you can run PM2 restart all. After the restart, check the logs to ensure everything is running smoothly by using PM2 logs. If necessary, make any additional configuration changes to your application. Once satisfied with the updates, you can exit the server. Your PM2 processes on the production server are now updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.